Hello my dear students, in this video we will revise some lessons. First I am going to revise lesson 5, Rise of Jainism and Buddhism. Many things we discussed in this lesson, especially we learn about Buddhism, Jainism, etc. Okay, and Buddhism and Jainism arose out of the dissatisfaction caused by some of the religious and social practice of the 16th century. On those days, Hinduism, many people they practiced Hinduism, and so the common people they were not satisfied with these practices. So many people they selected Buddhism and Jainism. Buddhism was founded by Gautama Buddha. His teachings centered around the Four Noble Truths. His teachings centered around the Four Noble Truths. Which are they? And from India, Buddhism spread to Central Asia, China, Southeast Asia, etc. And after some years, it later split into two sects, Mahayana and Hinayana. From India, Buddhism spread to Central Asia, China, Southeast Asia, and it later split into two sects, Mahayana and Hinayana. Jainism, it was founded by Vardhamana Mahavira. He was the 24th Tirthankara. Jainism was founded by Vardhamana Mahavira. He was the 24th Tirthankara. He taught his followers to lead good and pure lives by adopting the Triratna. And Jainism also later split into two sects, Shwetambaras and Digambaras. Jainism, it was popular in northwestern and South India. And Buddhism and Jainism, many things were similar. In Buddhism and Jainism, many things were similar. Buddhism and Jainism, it was against of caste system, ritualism, etc. And both religions give importance for equality of human beings and on ahimsa. Buddhism declined because the Sanghas acquired enormous wealth, and in the end of the lesson we can see that Buddhism declined of many reasons. What was the many reason? Sanghas acquired so much wealth and the monks become materialistic. Buddhism weakened after it split into Hinayana and Mahayana. Hinduism became more popular as it formed itself. This was the main reason for the decline of Buddhism. What was the main reason for the decline of Buddhism? Buddhism declined because the Sanghas acquired enormous wealth. Monks become materialistic. Buddhism weakened after it split into Hinayana and Mahayana. Okay, here we discussed about Buddhism and Jainism. Buddhism was founded by Gautama Buddha. Jainism was founded by Vardhamana Mahavira. And Vardhamana Mahavira, he was the 24th Tirthankara. This was the important points related with this lesson. Okay, all of you please learn again and again, read again and again these lessons. Inside questions also will be asked for your annual exam. Okay, all of you please be thorough with your lessons. And next I am going to explain about rise of kingdoms and republics. Rise of kingdoms and republic. Here also we learned many things we discussed. First we discussed about the later Vedic age. In later Vedic age, Aryans spread over the Gangetic plains, and we discussed a new term. What is that? Janapadas. Janapadas come into existence, and we know about the Janapadas from Brahmanas, from early Buddhist texts, from excavated archaeological remains. And the Janapadas, it was monarchies, either monarchies like Magadha or republic like Vaji. Janapadas, it was two types, monarchies and republic. Monarchy example Magadha, republic example Vaji. And some Janapadas grew in size and become Mahajanapadas. Farming tools and techniques improved, agriculture flourished, and a large number of cities like Patliputra, Kushambi, Ujjain, it was developed. Okay, and The Mahajanapadas, it was usually ruled from its capital city, and capital cities were often fortified, and the king ruled with the help of ministers. The king, he helped by the ministers, and he maintained a large standing army. And the king imposed taxes on land, craft, and trade in order to maintain the army, pay salaries, and pay for the public works. King collected many types of taxes for giving salary for the people, or for for keeping public works. And on those days, in later Vedic period, the caste system was rigid. The traders and crafts of the Shrenis become hereditary. And next we can say that we will discuss about the Ganasangha. Ganasangha of Vaji was confederacy of 8 clans, including the Lichavis and the Dehans. Its capital was Vaishali. The Ganasangha of Vaji was confederacy of 8 clans, including the Lichavis and the Videhans. And what was the capital of that? Vaishali. Vaishali was the capital of this. And here we discussed many things. Here also we discussed many things. First we learned about the republics and monarchies, then we discussed about Janapadas and Mahajanapadas, and we discussed about the condition in the Mahajanapadas, what was their agriculture and rise of cities, administration, revenue, trade, social organization, etc. etc. Okay. And if you have any doubt, you can ask through the comments. Okay.